In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the coefficient of variation in Excel. We'll go through the full process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along even if you're fairly new to Excel. The coefficient of variation is a useful measure because it shows how much variability there is relative to the average. In other words, it helps you compare how spread out your data is. To begin, open Excel and go to your worksheet. Once you're there, enter your data into a single column. In this example, the values are placed in cells A2 through A6. Keeping your numbers together in one clean range makes the formulas easier to enter and helps avoid mistakes later. After your data is entered, the first calculation you'll make is the average, also called the mean. Click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. In that cell, type the formula equals average, then open parentheses, A2 colon A6, and close parentheses. The full formula is equals average, open parentheses, A2 colon A6, close parentheses. Then press enter. Excel will now return the average of the values in that range. Next, you'll calculate the standard deviation, which measures how much the data varies from the average. Select another empty cell so this result stays separate from the average. Then type equals tdev.s, open parentheses, A2 colon A6, close parentheses, and press enter. This formula is used for a sample set of data, which is what most users need in situations like this. Now you're ready to calculate the coefficient of variation itself. Select another empty cell where you want the final answer to appear. Type equals stdev.s, open parentheses, A2 colon A6, close parentheses, / average, open parentheses, A2 colon A6, close parentheses. Then press enter. This divides the standard deviation by the average, giving you the coefficient of variation as a decimal. To make the result easier to read, click on the cell containing the coefficient of variation. Then go to the Home tab in Excel and click percent style. This will convert the decimal into a percentage, which is the most common way to present the coefficient of variation. As a quick tip, a lower percentage usually means the data is more consistent, while a higher percentage indicates greater variability. Just make sure your average is not 0, since dividing by 0 would make the formula invalid. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.